Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will be talking about the classic Jotform layout. As in the previous videos, you have seen us using the card form layout. In card form, what we can do is we can choose one question at a time option. But if you want to have multi-page form with the multiple fields, then we use the classic form layout. So this is how the classic form layout will look like. Like it will be all the form fields will be on a single page or on multiple pages. So today we will first discuss the designing designer Jotform designer for the classic layout. So in form designer, as you can see, there are four tabs. First one is colors. Here you can choose the form color, page color, or the font color, or you can change the fields background. So you can use any kind of color or scheme from built-in, or you can choose your own. So whatever you feel easy or you feel like using, you can use that. The second is styles option. In styles option, you can change the font width according to your wish. Like if you want to make it wider or smaller, it is up to you. You can change your field. The next is label alignment. As you can see, the name of the field is called the label. So it is up to you, either you want to display the label on the left side or on the right side or on the top. So you can choose from these three options: left, right, or top. But it is not necessary to always set the label at top. Like maybe you wanna set the label for the one field at the top and the for the second field on the left hand side. So these properties are definitely for the general form. It will apply to all the fields. But for change in a specific field, like if you want to change the label of a specific field on the left side or on the right side, then that we can do by going in the field property. We will do later in that in the video. This is the question spacing. So the space between two questions, as you can see, the full name and the email field has a lot of space. So it depends on this. As you increase the padding, the space between questions is increased. So it is up to you how further apart you want your questions to be. So it can be zero spacing, it can be 10, 20, or whatever you feel suitable for your form view. The next is font. You can change your Jotform fonts here. And the next is font size and button styles. The last one is very important. It is inject custom CSS code. What is CSS? CSS basically a designing language that we use to style our forms. So in this, we can choose the custom colors or anything that is not present in the actual designer option. We can use this box to apply our own custom CSS to some fields or some widgets as we like. So this is the important part if you want to do your own custom designing that Jotform doesn't offer. So the next is theme. As we have seen in the card form layout, we can add a video in the background, we can add an image in the background, we can have a simple plain colored background. It is up to us. And the last one is layout. So we can choose classic form layout or we can choose card form layout. So now as we talked here, this label alignment is for the complete form. Now let's say if you want to move the label of this email field to the left side. So you will see here the option for label alignment: left, right, and top. But you can also see an option just below set as form default, and this option is checked. So if you want to move just a single field label to the left side, then you need to uncheck this option before applying any changes. Because if this option is checked, then that will be applied to the complete form. Just as you can see, if we click on the left, all labels will be shifted to the left. If we click on right, all labels will be shifted to the right or to the top. So if this option is checked, then any change you will make even to a single field property, that will be applied to the whole form. But if you want to apply the changes to only a single field, then uncheck this option, and then if you move the label to the left, it will affect only the specific field you are working with. It will not affect the entire form. So you can fill your properties to the left side, to the right side, or you can move the label to the top. So this way it will only affect the field you are working in, not the entire form. So these were the basic for the classic form designer, like how you can change colors, how you can change your font styles, and etc. In the next video we will discuss more about the settings and publish options, etc. So make sure to like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.